In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil on your Toyota Vios, step by step. It's a simple DIY job that can save you money and keep your engine running smooth. First, park your car on a level surface and let the engine cool down. Pop the hood and remove the oil cap to help the oil drain easier. Then, get underneath the car and locate the oil drain plug. It's at the bottom of the engine. Place an oil pan underneath, loosen the plug with a wrench, and let the old oil drain out completely. While that's draining, find the oil filter and unscrew it. Use a rag or a glove if it's tight. Rub some fresh oil on the gasket of the new filter and hand tighten it in place. Once the oil has drained, reinstall the drain plug tightly. Now pour in the recommended oil, usually about 3 to 4 liters for a Toyota Vios. Check the dipstick to make sure the level is right. If this video helped you change your Vios oil, hit like and subscribe for more simple car care tips. Thanks for watching.